logistics and packaging. Fast, individual, international. True to this motto, we offer a full service for every aspect of packaging. We handle the assembly of parts and individual packaging of fastening elements, and thus become your external logistics department. Efficient and economical through process optimization. We package in accordance with your requirements, regardless of batch size. You can always count on us to do everything to meet your needs. Perfectly packaged with IMS Verbindungstechnik. You can always rely on outstanding service and top quality products from IMS Verbindungstechnik. We look forward to hearing from you.